In this Sitefinity Minute, we're going to show you how to create a form in .NET Core. So from the Forms page, you're going to go to Create a Form. And first, we'll go ahead and name our form. And once the new .NET Core Form Builder is enabled in Sitefinity, under the Advanced section here, you're going to see the option to choose .NET Core as your web framework. So we're going to choose .NET Core, and then we're going to go click on Create and go to Add Fields. And the next screen you're going to land on is the .NET Core Form Builder. And instead of dragging and dropping widgets onto the page like you did with MVC, you're just going to click where it says Add Widget here to add your widgets to the form. And then you'll get the screen that has all of your form widgets listed in categories. So let's go ahead and start building this form. So first we're going to add the text box widget. And once this is added, we can then go and edit the fields. So under label is where you're going to name the field. So the first thing we want to capture in this form is the user's first name. So you can also add instructional text if you want. And this next option for the text box form widget is to define the field type. So here from the dropdown, you can see which options you have to choose from. Since we're capturing a first name, we're going to choose the text option. So we're going to go ahead and make this field required. And you also have the option to hide the field here. And I'm going to go ahead and change the copy here so this error message makes a little more sense to our users. So this next section here is limitations. So you could do things like limit the amount of characters someone types into this field. Now here you have the option to set the field size, and we're just going to make it medium. So we're going to go ahead and save it and then add other widgets. So we're going to add a field for last name with all the same field settings we did for first name. And then we'll add an email field. So the only difference here is for the field type, we're going to select email. And all the other settings are going to be the same. We'll then add a paragraph widget. So for this field, we are going to limit the number of characters someone can type in. And then we're going to go ahead and add the submit button to our form. Now, once added to your form, you can go and you can change what the button text says. And we're just going to make it all caps. So let's go ahead and publish the form. And now it's ready to add to a page. And that's the Sitefinity Minute.